malalaman na meron ka ng abnormal uterine bleeding or heavy or prolonged menstruation. So typically, you can have one or more of the following. Una, nagsusok ka ng pads or tampons every 1 to 3 hours on the heaviest day of your period. Di kaya naman sa loob ng isang oras nakaka-1 o 2 ka na fully soak. So, isa yon, no? And actually, pagka ganun nakatindi yung pagsusok mo, that's already an emergency. And then, kapag ka nagdudugo ka ng sobra sa 7 o 8 araw, nagtutuloy-tuloy yung paglabas ng pulang dugo or maski yung spotting lang, pero nag-extend siya beyond the usual time of menstruation, isa rin yun na indication na may abnormal mens ka na. Isa pa, kapag nag-change ka ng napkin or tampon at night, during which time hindi naman natin ina-expect na heavy yung bleeding, pero you had to wake up kasi soak na yung tampons mo, isa ring indication yon na